Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I love 164. So today I'm going to open this mailbox. It's a very small one, you can see. I've ordered some figurines and stuff from someone. There is address and everything, so I kept it like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to open this up and pull out everything in it. So give me a moment guys. There is some really cool stuff actually in this box. Okay, I'll just go off camera because there is address and everything, and I'm not able to not sure from which side this box will open. Okay, so this is how it's going to open, from this side. You can see there is a lot of stuff actually. There's a lot of stuff, and I'll just simply move it here and I'll show it to you guys. So these are some figurines in this as well. I think two are here. This is some thing and this is something. Okay, so this is empty now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open these one by one and I will show you guys. Okay, so I have aligned the boxes and I have bring these cards here just to make look cool. Make all these things look cool. So this is the first box. Actually, put this here. Let's open this one first, the big one. Let's see what we have in this. Okay, so these are actually cones, and okay, I think this is damaged. I don't know, I think it's damaged or something, not sure. So it's empty now, and let's put everything out. Yeah, it's damaged. Okay. This is really heartbreaking for me because I was waiting for this from a very long time, and you can of course hear my voice, that's lowered. So everything is broken here. I'm not sure how to fix this stuff. So it's not in. The person who built these actually should have tried to strengthen these corners more. Let's place these here like this. Sorry. And let's open this up. I don't know how it gets broken because you can see it was in the small plastic box. These are nice cones. I'll just put them here like this. Yeah, they look cool. So this is actually a tool kit kind of, and it is very much detailed. Thank God it's not broken. It's not damaged. Yeah, this is clean. I was not expecting the damage actually. I know the guy's legit and everything. See, it looks really cool. Very detailed. Very nice. It's all 3D printed. That's why you can see it's not exactly rectangle, but it's still good. You can see all the keys and pliers and hammers. I liked it actually, and you can see the details over here as well. It's a nice, I'm sorry, this is a nice setup to have. Actually, you know, let's put these here as well. It's okay if they are damaged or not, it's okay. Still, I'm going to use them in the background. So next up we have figurines. I think there are 4 figurines in 2 boxes. So let's open these one by one. These are 2 and probably 2 in other one. So it is your camera girl. She's taking a photo. Let's put this here. Does not stand well. We will see that later, how to make them stand properly. There is another, I think, labor girl or something. Nice, very nice, detailed. The colors are good, vibrant colors and everything. I like it. We'll set it up later. And in the next one again we have 2. One is this. Let's open. I just noticed that I have ordered all the girls and there are no male figurines. I like the outfit. And here's the last one. Well, it is sealed like this. Yeah, the girl with the helmet and everything. Wow, I really like how the person created the 3D models and then painted them and everything. So now you can see I set them up. Actually, the hardest was to set this up, so I had to do a little struggle, but yeah, it's fine now. They are all posers. Let me show you guys. Give me a moment. See this? She is clicking the photo of these 3 posers. And it looks really nice. I liked it. I really like these figures. I just don't like how I found this damaged, but it's okay, it happens. So that was all for today. Thank you so much guys for watching, and let me know what you liked in this. See you in the next one. Bye bye.